Good day to you all. We are back with our daily devotion every day of Thursday. We are still with series of 365 daily devotion Bible character edition. For this day, we are going to still study about Solomon, but we are going to study about his wealth. So, the title of this devotion is Wealth Meaningless, and the verse we're going to use as a reference came in the book of 1 King chapter 10. Now when the Queen of Sheba heard of the fame of Solomon concerning the name of the Lord, she came to test him with hard questions. She came to Jerusalem, the very great retinue, with camels bearing spices, and very much gold and precious stones. And when she came to Solomon, she told him all that was on her mind. And Solomon answered all her questions. There was nothing hidden from the king that he could not explain to her. And when the queen of Sheba had seen all the wisdom of Solomon, the house that he had built, the food of his table, the seating of his officials, and the attendance of his servants, their clothing, his cupbearers, and his burnt offerings that he had offered at the house of the Lord, there was no more breath in her. And she said to the king, "The report was true that I heard in my own land of your words and of your wisdom, but I did not believe the reports until it came my own eyes had seen it. And behold, the half was not told me. Your wisdom and prosperity surpassed the report that I heard. Happy are your men, happy are your servants who continually stand before you and hear your wisdom. Blessed be the Lord your God, who was delighted in you and set you on the throne of Israel. Because the Lord loved Israel forever, he has made you king, that you may execute justice and righteousness." Then she gave the king 120 talents of gold and very great quantity of spices and precious stones. Never again came such an abundance of spices, all that the queen of Sheba gave to King Solomon. So, the queen of Sheba, when she had witnessed the wisdom of King Solomon, had given King Solomon what? 120 talents of gold and very great quantity of spices and precious stones. So that's the wisdom of our God. That's the wisdom of God that was given to King Solomon. So what is our teachings? These are three things about Solomon. Solomon had everything a person could ever dream of. Solomon is not just wise, he is full of blessings. God has been good to Solomon, that everything that a man can dream of, he had it. Second, Solomon had wisdom that no ordinary person could ever attain. So the wisdom that he had is from God. Therefore, no man could attain such wisdom. Every knowledge, every wisdom that Solomon had, we cannot understand it, we cannot attain it, we cannot comprehend everything that he had in his mind. Lastly, Solomon said that everything is meaningless. Everything is meaningless. What do you mean by that? Everything is meaningless according to Solomon, such as wealth, such as wisdom, such as every dreams that he had, such as every servants that he had, every gold, every ounces of gold, every prices and precious stones. When you are not following God, when you are not contributing it for the glory of God. Oh, when we apply this in our lives, three things to understand by heart. Understand that life is not about wealth, power, and fame. Second, understand that life is meaningless apart from Jesus Christ. So when you are not following Jesus Christ, when you are not contributing, when you are not sacrificing your life to our Lord Jesus Christ, everything is meaningless. Lastly, understand that the only things we do for the glory of God matter. That's what matters the most. Actually, it is the only thing that matter when you are doing it for God. When you're doing it for yourself, your life will be meaningless because you are just following your flesh. But when you're doing it for the God, that will give your life in a meaning. Your life will be meaningful. So that will be my daily devotion and Steve like Christ.